Look, I'll read the question. In figure, if PQ parallel to ST, angle PQR 110, angle RST 130, find angle QRS. Okay, look at here. Through S, through R, draw a line parallel here, like this. Okay, this line parallel, X, R, X, Y, parallel to PQR. Okay. Now, you know this angle how much? Angle QRY equal to 110. This angle equal to this angle. Reason what? Alternate angles, right? Okay. Then angle TSR plus angle SRY equal to 180 degree. This plus this one 180. Reason what? Co-interior angles. So that means 130 plus angle SRY equal to 180. So this is 50. Now, total is 110. This is 50. This will be what? 60. Okay. You can write. You can write now. Hello. First what? Right. Construction. First you write construction. Through R, draw a line XY parallel to PQ or ST. Through, like this, through R. Okay, I'm writing now. Listen here. Through R, draw a line XY parallel to PQ or ST. Then, after that, angle PQR equal to angle QRY. QRY equal to 110. Reason what? Alternate angles. I hope everyone studied what is alternate angles, allied angles, then corresponding angles. Okay. PQR. PQR equal to angle QRY. Alternate angles equal to 110. Okay. Next. Angle, look at here. TSR. Angle TSR plus angle SRY equal to 180 degree. Okay, S. Okay, no problem. That's not no problem. Okay, angle TSR plus angle SRY equal to 180 degree. Co-interior angles. Co-interior angles. Okay. Therefore, angle SRY equal to 50. Angle SRY equal to 50. This is 50. So therefore, this is what? 60. Finish. Is it okay? No problem. That any method you can. Suppose if you just join here, extend here. This is 7D. So that way also you can do it. No problem. Okay. Okay. That's you can find your own method. Okay. There is no issue. Okay. What I have to to explain this one. Nothing to explain here. You learn what is the alternate angles. You know that, right? Okay, you know corresponding, co-interior angles. Total how much? Co-interior angle total how much? Co-interior angles total how much? Vishal, co-interior angles total how much? 180, right? Why not answering? Okay, so now here PQR equal to QRY. Reason what? Alternate angles. This is 110, this is also 110. Okay. And TSR plus SRY 180. So 130 here, 50 here. So this will be 60. Okay. And another way, you can try this way also. Look at here. We don't want this one. Look. Okay, look at here. Another method is I'll show you. Look. This is R. It just join extend here. It is intersect at X. Okay. This angle how much? 70. Okay, this is how much? Okay, listen. When we extend this one, this will be 50, right or not? So this also 50. 50 plus 70 plus 50, 120. 120. This will be 60, like that. Finish. This also we can use it. Okay. This way also just extend it. This will be 70. Reason what? Linear pair. This is 50. Because 130 plus 50. So this is also 50, vertically opposite angle. So it is 60. So your idea, you can use it, no problem. Okay. Okay. Next question. In figure, this Bhavan's mass is over or not? Hello. Bhavan's test mass over or not? When it was, why didn't say inform me about the test and all? How was it? Okay, I did. I'll send you the giant. The video I'll send you. Then you can see now. Okay. Okay, Agastya. So congrats. Okay, send me the question paper if you have. Okay, just online. Okay, okay. So next question. Hello. Next question. In figure, in figure, in figure, in figure, in figure, AB parallel CD. In figure, AB parallel to CD. In figure, AB parallel CD. Angle APQ equal to 50. APQ equal to 50. Angle PRD equal to 127. Okay. Find X and Y. Find X and Y. Find X and Y. A, B, C, D. P, Q, R. Here 50. This is X, Y. This is 127. Okay, try now. Okay, every question, hello. Every question you have to draw figure. Don't say board figure is enough. So no need to draw. Okay. Every question you have to draw with pencil. Okay, try first. AB parallel to CD. Angle APQ 50, PRD 127. Find angle X and Y. Try now. Okay, finish. Okay, I'll wait. I'll wait. Okay. Okay, look at here. See, here, x is 50. Why? This is 50, this is 50. Okay. Now, this is 127. How much this one? 180 minus 127. How much? 180 minus 63. Okay. Then what? Y. 180 minus 50 plus 63. How much that? Angle sum property. Okay. What is that one? How much? 70. No, total how much? Y is 77. Y is x is 50, y 77. 77, not 67. Okay. So any other method you can apply. Look at here. Suppose if it is 127, this total is you can find out. Okay. That any other methods also you can search. Okay. 50 plus y plus this is 63. This is 63. Then you can find out y. Okay. Okay. X is 50. X is 50. Y is 77. Okay. Yeah, that is okay. Okay. It is 180 minus 127. How much? 53. Okay, 53 then. Okay, 53. You only said answer. Okay. Okay. So next one. Listen here. Regarding the test. Okay. After test, I have to check every paper. Every paper I have download and enter in our register, and you have to find out who all didn't write and all. It will take time. Don't ask me where our answer is correct or not. Maybe next day also we'll get it. It's very irritating. Just 9.5 you submitted the paper. 9.6 asking whether check or not. What is the meaning? Maybe you'll get next day only. Value is y is 77. Okay. So next question. So next one, a tricky question. Okay, you try yourself. Okay, star question. Okay, let us see anyone get or not. Okay, listen here. in figure BA and BC, in figure BA, in figure BA and BC of triangle ABC, in figure BA and BC of triangle ABC are respectively parallel to AMS, ED parallel to ED and EF. That means this is parallel here, this line parallel here. Question again. Listen, question again. No, test you have to finish it. Test you have to finish it within the time. Okay, checking it will take time because it's not only one student. Okay, clear or no? This is not a one student. How many students in our group? Many. And sometimes the loading is it will take time. So look at here. In figure, listen out. In figure, AB parallel to DE. AB parallel to DE. This is parallel here. AB parallel to this parallel to here. And EF parallel to BC. EF parallel to BC. Show that angle B equal to angle E. Show that angle B equal to angle E. Show that B equal to E. You try now. Okay, the star question. Question nothing to say, only here the figure. Figure read much than text. Okay. Nothing to hear, Sri Kumar. In figure AB parallel to DE. Listen, you saw arrow here, two arrow, one arrow here, one arrow here. That means this line parallel. This two arrow here, two arrow here. That is parallel. Show that angle B equal to angle E. That's only. Okay. Okay, finish. You got it? How much? They are equal or not? Prove that angle B equal to angle E. They are equal, right? Okay, I'll wait. Okay. No, not 90 degree, not 90 degree. They are equal. Look, listen here. Look, it just extend here. This one. D, E, F, G here. Okay. Now look at here. This angle 1 equal to angle 2. Why? Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Why? Forget about 180 and forget about, listen here. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Reason what? EF parallel to BC. Corresponding angles. Listen out. Listen. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Corresponding angles. Agree or no? Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Number 1. Then this one 3. Angle 3 equal to angle 2. Number 2. Again corresponding angles. Angle 3 equal to angle 2. Again corresponding angles. So what? 1 equal to 2, 3 equal to 2. That means 1 equal to 3. Finish. Simple. Right? Okay. Finish. This is the figure. Okay. Clear now? Once we join. Okay. You can join this way also. No problem. There is no problem. There is no issue. Okay. Are you okay now? So next question. Is it okay? So one of the good question, star question. Okay. Next one. Right. In figure, BA, in figure, BA and BC, in figure, BA and BC of angle ABC. BA and in figure, BA in figure, BA and BC of angle ABC, respectively parallel to, respectively parallel to respectively parallel to ED and EF. ED and EF. This is parallel here. This is parallel to here. Okay. BA and B and BC parallel to ED and EF. Prove that angle ABC. Prove that angle ABC plus angle ABC plus angle DEF equal to 180. Okay. Prove that angle ABC plus angle DEF equal to 180 degree. ABC plus DEF equal to 180 degree. No, we didn't do it. Prove that ABC plus DEF equal to 180 degree. Equal to 180 degree. Okay. Question again. AB parallel to ED. BC parallel to EF. Show that ABC plus DEF equal to 180 degree. Okay, try now. Question understood now? Question what? AB parallel to ED. EF parallel to BC. Show that ABC plus DEF equal to 180 degree. Okay. Wait. I'll show this one. Okay. Okay, look at here now. Look, I'm calling this is 1, 2, 3. Now look at here. EF parallel to BC. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 180 degree, number 1. Then AB parallel to ED. AB parallel to ED. Therefore, angle 3 equal to angle 2, number 2. Substitute angle 1 plus, instead of 2 is 3. Angle 3 equal to 180 degree. Finish. 4-mark question. Finish. Okay. Clear now? Star question. Yes, star question. Okay. Okay. Finish. So next question, right? Um, right. In figure, hello. You have the text with you. No, you have text. Question number 6. Question number text. Text. Question number 6. Check the question, man. Which exercise you are doing? You have no idea. Okay. Yes. 6.6.2. Yes, 6.2. I sent you the question. Okay. Draw a figure and write the question first. Okay. 6.2. Question number 6. Okay, you just should write the question and draw the figure. Rest all I'll do it. I'll explain this one. Okay. Okay. Finish. Is it okay? I'll explain now. Is it okay? Copy or not? Okay, okay. Wait. I'll wait. Okay, I'll wait. Just copy, draw a neat figure, then wait. Finish. Okay, shall I start now? Okay, look at here now. Look at here. Look. Now look at here. In figure, PQ, RS are two mirrors. Don't write anything now. Listen here. P, Q, R, S. Two mirrors are placed parallel to each other. An incident ray AB, a ray AB, okay, strike the mirror PQ at B. Then reflect ray moves to here to C. Then go back to here, CD. This is the question. Show that AB parallel to CD. This is the figure. AB parallel to CD. Okay. AB parallel to CD. Okay. Before starting, look at here. Two things you have to learn. Suppose these lines are parallel. Okay. If I draw perpendicular here, like this, perpendicular. This also perpendicular. Okay. This is perpendicular, this is perpendicular. What about these lines are parallel? Is it parallel or not? Two parallel lines, when you draw perpendicular, they are parallel. Okay. And also, studied in physics, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Studied or not? Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Are you okay or not? Okay. What do you call that line here, middle line? One special word is there. What is that? When you draw perpendicular, what is that name? Normal. Yes, correct. Okay. Now look at here. Okay. First of all, look, there is. I'll give the note. Don't write anything. I'll give the note. Okay. Here, draw BL perpendicular. Don't make anything. I'll just explain now. Okay. M here. Okay. So we did the concept. So now look at here. BL perpendicular to PQ and MC perpendicular to RS and PQ parallel to RS. What? PQ parallel to RS. Number one. LB perpendicular to PQ. Number two. MC perpendicular to RS. Number three. From 1, 2, and 3, we get BL parallel to MC. Is it okay or not? This line parallel here. Okay. Okay. So now, you know, this angle X, this also X, right? Y. You learn that angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection, right? Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. This also Y here, Y here. Okay. Correct or no? Okay, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. But BL parallel to MC, therefore X equal to Y. Right? X equal to Y. Reason what? Alternate angles. Correct or no? BL parallel to MC. BC is a transversal. So X equal to Y. Then 2X equal to 2Y. 2X means what? ABC equal to BCD. ABC equal to BCD. That's all you have to find out. ABC equal to BCD. ABC equal to BCD means what? Since the alternate angles are equal, AB parallel to CD. Are you okay? I'll explain again. Look at here now. First, this part is okay or not? Hello? This part okay? First, right. PQ parallel to R. PQ parallel to RS. Right. PQ parallel to RS. Number one. Bracket, right? Given. PQ parallel to RS. Number one. Given. Okay. Then BL perpendicular to PQ. BL perpendicular to PQ. BL perpendicular to PQ by construction. BL perpendicular to PQ by construction. Number two. Then MC perpendicular to RS by construction. Number three. From 1, 2, and 3 we get. From 1, 2, and 3 we get BL parallel to MC. BL parallel to MC. Okay. Then after that, up to here, okay now? Hello, everyone okay up to here or not? Is it okay? Any doubts? This is star question. Okay. Any doubt? Okay. Now look at here. Listen. Don't write now. Look. Angle A. Don't write now. Just listen. Angle ABL equal to angle CBL. Is it okay? Angle ABL equal to angle CBL. Are you okay? Agree? If it is explain again. Second step. Second step, I'll do it now. Dhruv. First step, I'm asking about the first step. First step, okay or not? First part, this part clear or not? Up to BL parallel to MC. That's only. Second step I'm doing here. Now look at here. ABL equal to CBL. Reason what? Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Right? Angle ABL equal to CBL. Okay, so you can no need x and y if you can mark that. Okay, if you want to remove this one. Okay, okay. Now listen here. Angle. Don't write now. I'll give the note. Angle ABL equal to angle CBL. The reason what? Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Then angle ACM equal to angle MCD. Again, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Okay, this is 3, 4, 5. Okay. Are you okay? Okay, then right. Hey, first step you didn't understand. Navneet, come on. First step is what? Look at here. Hey, listen. First step not getting. Second step, how will get it? Listen here. PQ not getting. Listen. PQ parallel to RS. Okay, that is given. BL perpendicular to PQ. One line with perpendicular. MC perpendicular to RS. We did a construction. From 1 to 3, we get this line BL parallel to MC. Okay, what is the reason? Perpendiculars to the parallel lines are parallel. You can write that here. Write that reason. When I explain to you first part, then you asking minus V. Then you asking me second part. I didn't understand. What? I was explained the first part. Okay. When I start the second part, one student asked me, I didn't understand the first part. Then I'm going to first part. When I start the first part, you're asking me, ask the I didn't answer the second part. What? If not getting the first part, how can I understand second part? That's why I started again. After the first part, I'll come back to the second part. Okay. Listen all now. Don't write anything now. Look. PQ parallel to RS, right? Listen, PQ parallel to RS. Anything to understand that one? PQ parallel to RS. That is what given. Then BL perpendicular to P. BL perpendicular to PQ. Reason what? By construction. We did a construction. MC perpendicular to RS by construction. Therefore, BL perpendicular to MC. Okay? BL perpendicular to MC. Right? Okay. Reason what? Perpendiculars to the parallel lines are parallel. Perpendiculars to the parallel lines are parallel. Okay, do one thing. Take a rough sheet. Take a rough sheet. Draw a parallel line. Then draw perpendicular. Then check whether parallel or not. Do it that one. Let's see the practical. What? Draw two parallel lines like this. Then draw perpendicular 90 degree. Here 90 degree. Then check whether it's parallel or not. Okay. Priyansh, check now. Let us see the first part. Make sure that. Okay. Then we'll start second part. Okay. You check or not? Hello? Is it okay? They're parallel. Now, so we finish their parallel, right? Okay, the first part clear now. First part, nothing. It is there here. If anyone late comments in that problem, guys, check this already here. Okay, you can, or you can check the video. Okay, this is the third or fourth time I'm doing this one. Okay, so now, forget about it. First part clear now. Everyone clear, right? Is it okay now? Okay, now look at here. Angle ABL equal to angle CBL. We call it number 4. Reason what? Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Okay. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Okay. Then next angle. Okay, this one VCM, not ACM. VCM. VCM equal to angle MCD. Again, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Okay, write that one. Right. Angle ABL. Angle ABL equal to angle CBL. ABL equal to CBL. Okay. Number 4 in bracket, right? Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Then similarly, how you write? Like this enough. RLY. Similarly, 3 lines, then RLY. Similarly, angle BCM. Sorry, BCM. Yes, BCM. Angle BCM equal to angle MCD. Number 5. Reason what? Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Okay. Now next line. But BL parallel to MC. BL parallel to MC. BL parallel to MC. Therefore, angle CBL equal to angle MCD. CBL equal to MCD. Alternate angles. Angle CBL equal to angle MCD. Alternate angles. Agree or no? CBL equal to CBL equal to CBL equal to CBL equal to BCM. CBL equal to BCM. BCM. This angle equal to this angle. CBL equal to BCM. Alternate angles. Then next line. 2 times of angle CBL equal to 2 times of angle BCM. What is that? 2 times of BC. 2 times of CBL. 2 times of CBL. 2 times of CBL means angle ABC. 2 times of BCM means angle BCD. Okay. Next line, last line. Since the alternate angles ABC, and BCD are equal. Since the alternate angles ABC and BCD are equal, AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. AB parallel to CD. Okay, finish. The last line. Since the alternate angles ABC and BCD are equal, AB parallel to CD. Okay, writing this all notes you are right. Actually, very simple. Look at here. Look, I'll show you very simple way. But when you write, see here x, this also x. Here y, here y. X equal to y. 2x equal to 2y. Therefore, what? ABC equal to BCD. That's only. Okay. Another method, look here. Just listen this method also. 1, 2, 3, 4. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, number 1. Angle 3 equal to angle 4, number 2. Okay. Then angle 2 equal to angle 3, number 3. These are what? Alternate angles. 2 times of angle 2 equal to 2 times of angle 3. That means ABC equal to AC. Which method you want? First method enough or not? I'll explain again for the first method. Second method. Second method, very short man. That maybe you won't get marks. That's why. Okay. First one, okay. I don't want to miss the marks. That's why full step I'm writing. Okay. For me, it's okay. See, angle 1 equal to angle 2. Enough. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. It's okay. But 2 equal to 3. Okay. Then 2 times of 2 equal to 2 times of 3. That is enough. Better this one, no? All right. Better this one instead of writing A, B, C, and all. Enough this one, right? Second method. No, third method. Is it okay? I'll do again. Look at here. Only thing you're wait. Just listen. Then we can decide it. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Number 4. Angle of incidence equal to angle of, listen. Angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. Again, angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Then BL parallel to MC. Therefore, angle 2 equal to angle 3. Number 6. Then 2 times of angle 2 equal to 2 times of angle 3. 2 times of angle 2 equal to 2 times of angle 3. That means ABC, angle ABC equal to angle ABD. Finish. Okay. Who all feel first method? Okay. Actually, all same method only. This method, I didn't writing A, B, C, and instead of that, I calling 1, 2, 3 like that. This is up to you. You can take it. Okay. Clear now? Understand step 7. Which is step 7? I don't know. Okay. Now listen. Do one thing. Go to the figure. Check your note. Read it. Okay. 2 times. Yeah, because just doubling, man. X equal to Y. Listen. X equal to Y. 2x equal to 2y. Correct or no? Like that. Okay. Now go to your notebook. Check the figure. Read the question. Check the figure and check the proof. Still not getting, tell me. Okay. Take 5 minutes. We'll start from 310. Okay. Now we are going to next section. Okay. Okay, finish or not? Okay, is it okay, clear now? Anyone have doubt this one? Okay, so then write the next one theorem, right? Important theorem, okay? Right. Angle sum property of a triangle. Now only you're going to learn this theorem, okay? Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle, oh, final. Yeah, finally you are right. AB parallel to CD. Parallel to CD. Reason what? Alternate angles are equal. Others okay? Okay, now look at here. Right? Angle sum property of a triangle. Header. Angle sum property of a triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. I think class 6 or 7 you learned this one. How much? 180 degree, correct or no? But you didn't prove it. 1809. What is this one? Karam. Yeah, you learned, but you didn't learn the proof, correct or no? You didn't learn the proof. Proof also learn. When? Hey, no. Seventh proof we learned. Are you sure? Hey, I don't think. Okay, right now. Anyway, right. Activity proof, not it's a theoretical proof we need. Okay, right. Theorem, right? Okay, write the theorem. Theorem, listen. Theorem, you have to write exactly as per theorem. Okay, we cannot use any comma or a short form or triangle symbol out like that, like this and all. Okay, it's a holy line. You'll get sin. Okay, right. The sum of three angles of a triangle. The sum of three angles of a triangle. The sum of three angles of a triangle. The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. A, B, C. What you are show? To prove what? Don't write now. A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. Okay. Okay, right? Now listen. First, draw figure. Okay, draw figure, neat figure like this. Okay. 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 Theorem. Just write the sum of theorem is what? The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. The sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Then draw the figure. That's only. Ashka, okay. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Then draw the figure. Then leave it. That's all. I'll show you. Okay. Now look at here. Right. Given this way, all the proof question this way you have to show. Right. Given a triangle ABC. Given a triangle ABC. Then to prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C, to prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C 180 degree. Then that is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 180 degree. In the figure you mark it 1, 2, 3. Okay. Clear now? Okay. So now listen here. Hello. Once again, our aim is what? Our question is to prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C 180 degree. Listen. Our question is to prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C 180 degree. Okay. Or angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 180 degree. Okay. Now stop all work. There is a construction. Look. Through A, draw a line XY parallel to BC like this. Through A, draw a line XY parallel to BC. This is 4, here is 5. Okay. Now, don't write down. XAY is a straight line. Therefore, angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 equal to 180. Number 1. Angles in a straight line. Right or no? Some of the angles in a straight line is 180 degree. Are you okay? What we did? Through O, XY parallel to BC. Okay, that is our construction right now. Construction. Listen, the steps what? First given, then what you have to prove, then construction if it is required, then figure. Okay, construction. Draw now. Through A, draw XY parallel to BC. XY parallel to BC. Okay, now then now next line proof. Next line proof. Steps okay or no? You understood or no what I said? All the proof question you have to follow this way. First, draw a neat figure. Okay, even question paper is printed figure in board, a nice figure. Don't ask me if figure is there, why should I draw again? Okay, it's a part of CBSE guidelines. Okay, now given triangle ABC, that is given. To prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C 180 degree. Okay, construction. Through A, draw XY parallel to BC. Okay. Next line, proof. Starting now, right? XAY is a straight line, right? XA, you mark it here, the 4, 1, 5, and you mark it, okay? Otherwise, wrong. XAY is a straight line. XAY is a straight line. Therefore, angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. Call number 1. Call number 1. In bracket, write sum of the angles in a straight line is 180 degree. Sum of all the angles in a straight line is 180 degree. Sum of all the angles in a straight line is 180 degree. Okay. Up to here, okay. Now, sum of all the angles in a straight line is 180 degree. Angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5, 180 degree. Up to here, okay or not? Okay. Now, look. But angle 4 equal to angle 2. Number 2. Reason what? Alternate angles. 4 equal to 2. And angle 5 equal to angle 3. Number 3. Alternate angles. Correct or no? Right. XY parallel to BC. This is sure format question. Okay. XY parallel to BC. XY parallel to BC by construction. XY parallel to BC by construction. Then angle 4 equal to angle 2. Angle 4 equal to angle 2. Number 3. Alternate angles. Angle 5 equal to angle 3. Angle 5 equal to angle 3. Number 3. Alternate angles. Okay. Now we substitute instead of 4. What? 2. 1 is here. 5 is 3 equal to 180. That means what? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C 180 degree. Agree or no? Okay. Okay. Then now write substitute 3. Then write substitute 3 and 4. Substitute 2 and 3. Substitute 2 and 3 in equation 1. Substitute 2 and 3 in 1. Instead of 4 is 2. 1 keep 1. 5 is 3 equal to 180. That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C 180 degree. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C 180 degree. Is it okay now? This is a sure question and 4 mark question. Okay. Okay. Those who finish, check the figure. Okay. Come on. Is it okay or clear now? Check it. Make sure now. If not getting, I'll show this one. Okay. Okay. Are you okay now? Substitute. Okay. Yeah. Listen here. Once again, I'll explain this question. Listen all. Okay. Look. Listen all. Okay. So. Okay. Here. What you the question is theorem, not question. Theorem is Sum of all the angle is sum of the angles in a triangle. Sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. So we have shown that angle A plus angle B plus angle C 180 degree. Okay. Okay. Now we did a construction. Okay, we have a one construction. Through A, draw a line parallel here like this. X, Y parallel to BC. We call this is 4, this is 5. Okay, now look, we know that angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. Number 1. Reason what? Sum of all the angles in a straight line is 180 degree. But 4 and 2 equal. Reason what? Alternate angles. That is why I wrote 2. 1, keep it there. Plus 5 equal to 3 equal to 180. So finish. Angle 1 A, angle 2 B, angle C equal to 180 degree. This is one. Okay. I hope you finished now. Is it okay? Is it okay now? Okay. Clear now? Everyone okay? Okay. Now, finished now. I have another method there is just for information. Listen here. Hello. Another method just for information. Don't write. Okay. Look. Angle 4 equal to angle 2. Angle 5 equal to angle 3. Add both. Angle 4 plus angle 5 equal to angle 2 plus angle 3. Right? Then adding angle 1 on both sides. What happened? Angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 1 equal to angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3. So 4 plus 5 plus 1, 180. Finish. This way also you can do it. But better follow that method. Okay. That is the reader method. Okay. Listen, theorem proof and all, don't try maximum follow the reader. Okay. Because it's a holy line. You cannot change the sentence and all. Okay. It's not like social studies. Social studies answer you can make your own words. Correct or no? You can add something. You can make a little big story and all. Maybe you're writing about a king. King may be a stupid king, but you can make it very good. He was very nice man. Like that, now you can write it. No botheration. But mass theorem, okay, it is a holy line. We cannot change. Okay, if we change, you cannot sleep. Okay, the ghost will come and catch you. Okay, okay. 2 and 3. They are still didn't finish with that. The 2 and 3. My goodness. Look, we got angle 4 equal to angle 2. What is the reason? Diya, tell me. Angle 4 equal to angle 2. What is the reason? Hello, alternate angles. Angle 5 equal to angle 3. What is the reason? Alternate angles, right? Okay. Right? Okay, now we have already angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 equal to 180 already there. Our 1. Angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 equal to 180. It's a straight line. Right? There. Okay. Instead of 4, I'm writing 2. You have any objection? Instead of 4, I'm writing 2. You have any objection? Hello? Yeah. Okay. 1 I'm keeping there. Instead of 5, I'm writing 3 equal to 180. So we got no. This is the substitution. Okay, now clear now? Okay. Okay, so now next question. Right. Shorter question only now. Divya, not Diya. Okay, okay, okay. So many other batch also Divya there is. Many Divya there is. Okay. Divya and Diya. Okay. Okay. So finish now. I think Carmel started already holidays, right? Carmel closed already. Carmel guy, Aditya. Yeah, how long your holidays? Till 4th August. Oh, okay. Bhavan's no holiday. Okay, good. And GIS holiday started last week. Started all day. Then what? This week. Okay, this week starting. Okay. Okay. Anyway, we have no holiday. We'll continue till without break. Okay. So even holiday, where you can go? You cannot go to or a vacation because difficult vacations. Okay. The flights not starting. Maybe August only starting flight or end of July. Okay, and coming back may be difficult if you're going difficult. Okay, you have to go for the 14 days. Okay, 14 days you have to quarantine in a hotel. You have to pay, plus you have to make a certificate from India. No COVID and all. It is very difficult to get. So better don't go. You can go next year, or you can go December if it is okay. December, I may go 1 week. Okay. Winter holidays, yes, winter holidays. Winter holidays we can take little more, 1 or 2 weeks. Okay. Okay. So now today, everyone net is okay now, right? Orido, Orido. Anyone using Orido 5G? Using Orido now, 5G or 4G? Okay, Orido is good. Okay, Arnav, good no Orido, yes. But depends on the area. Depends on the area only. Some areas Orido is good. Some area STC is good. Some area Zain is good. That depends on the area. Okay, so see now some question. Okay, right. In a triangle ABC, right? In a triangle ABC, angle B 105, angle B 105, angle B 105, angle C 50, angle C 50, angle C 50, angle C 50. Find angle A. Find angle A. Okay, listen here. Angle in triangle ABC, angle B 105, angle C 50. Find angle A. A plus B plus C equal to 180. Then you can find it. Okay. Okay. Clear now? Simple. Very simple. Everybody got right? Okay, next one. Right. If the angles of a triangle are in the ratio, what? Repeat the question. I'm not going to repeat this one. Okay. If the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. If the angles of a triangle, if the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3, find the angles. If the angles of a triangle, if the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3, 1 is to 2 is to 3, find the angle. Okay, try now. Angles are in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. How much? 30, 60, 90. 30, 60, 90. Okay, next question. Next one, star question. The sum of two angles of a triangle, the sum of two angles of a triangle, the sum of the sum of the sum of the sum of two angles of a triangle is equal to third angle. Sum of two angles of a triangle is equal to third angle. Find the third angle. Once again, the sum of two angles of a triangle is equal to third angle. Find the third angle. Sum of two angles of a triangle is equal to the third angle. Find the third angle. Okay, try now. Okay. Anybody got? Sum of hey, how come two answer? Only one answer only. Sum of two angles of a triangle is equal to third angle. Okay. Find the third angle. Okay, okay, wait. Let's finish all. Let's finish all. Okay. Okay, it is wrong. I didn't ask you, Shine. What are you writing? The three angles. I didn't ask you three angles. I want only one angle. Look at here. Look, A plus B plus C, 180. Then sum of two. Angle A plus angle B equal to angle C. Sum of two is third angle. Instead of this one, angle C plus angle C equal to 180. 2C 180. C what? 90. Good, all good. Okay. This is the answer. Okay. Clear or not? Don't make big story. This is the answer. Okay. Come on. Next one. Come on. Again, asking what is the answer? You can see the board. Your net can see the video. Neither. You can see the board. This much big letter. Okay. So next question. Right. Of the three angles of a triangle, your connection is unstable. Why unstable, man? Which connection? Neither. Which is the net connection? STC. STC is very good. You can change the same number. You can change, nearby. You are staying where Mangaf or Abu Alifa. Abu Alifa. Okay, Abu Alifa. Check first. Abu Alifa, which net is good? But maybe you sign the contract. Maybe this is contract or data. No. Otherwise, you can change the change the SIM. No need to go to just a portable. You can change the provider. We can change it. Okay. So come on. Next question, right? Of three angles of a triangle. 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 One angle is twice the smallest. One angle is twice the smallest. Another is three times the smallest. Another is three times the smallest. Once again, of the three angles of a triangle, one is twice the smallest. Another one is three times the smallest. Find the angles. Find the angles. Okay, three angles. One is twice the smallest. Next one, thrice the smallest. Find the angles. Okay, you try now. Now all the angles. Okay, look at here the question. Look, first of all, the smallest angle is x. Look, first angle is shorter one, x. Second one, 2x. Third one, 3x. Add on. 6x equal to 180. X 30, 30, 60, 90. Okay, clear now? So you prepare up to here. Okay, up to here you prepare it. This will continue next class, Wednesday. Okay. Okay.